Okay, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Does it rain much in your hometown?
Not really. Usually, place where I live is not much rainy side. It's the area of Punjab where almost most of the weather is dry, and the monsoon the monsoon weather in which rain come from a short time.
All right. Try to answer systematically, direct answer, elaboration, and conclusion at the end. Let's go on. What type of weather do you like?
Usually, I like cold weather. I think in winters there is no much sweating and you feel energetic every time. While looking towards summer or other season, it's really sweating and you feel low and you tired very quickly.
Okay. What do you like to do in winters?
In winters, usually I prefer to visit it.
To visit.
To visit cold sites, and I feel excited. I'm excited for a snowfall. I visit the northern areas.
It gives you.
It gives you a excitement. Excitement, and you really enjoyed it.
What do you feel when how do you feel when it rains a lot?
When it rains a lot in my area, usually it's a situation like a small pond is everywhere outside. It's really hard for us to go outside due to the rains. Many streets which are not well drained, and the system of draining which is not well developed in our cities is damaged.
Okay, thank you so much. Try to speak actively, energetically, right, and try to speak clearly according to the topic, and you need to give direct answers to the point according to the question. Okay, that is important for you. Now let's go on. It's your turn. Do you always bring a lot of keys when you go out?
Well, I don't take a lot of keys when I go out. I just take my home key with me. That's all.
That's all. So I don't take a lot of keys. I only have one home key with me. Okay, that's good. Have you ever lost your keys?
Yes. Recently, I lost my bike key, and it caused me in really trouble. And I got a new one from the key shop.
From the key shop is not right. From the locksmith. Locksmith. Okay. All right. Let's go on. Do you put the keys in the keychain, or you like to hold the keys without keychain?
I prefer to take a keychain along with me because it helps me to save the key, not lost in.
Okay, so your answers are
Short.
extremely short. You need to add some more detail and try to express yourself in 5-6 sentences at least. Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you.